Hello everybody. In this series, we will be building a Markdown file-based blog system step by step, using the Elixir library, NimblePublisher. Let's get started. NimblePublisher is a library that reads Markdown files, parses the Markdown into a struct, and stores the struct list as a module attribute. This is a blog engine from Dashbit that was released as open source software, and it is explained on Dashbit's blog. This content management system based on Markdown files does not require any database, and since it refers to a precompiled structure in memory, it is also very performant. Okay, let's go ahead and create a project. It doesn't necessarily have to be built in Phoenix, but it is the best choice. In this video, we will be proceeding with Elixir version 1.14.2, and Phoenix installer version 1.7.2. Let's create a Phoenix project with the name of your choice. Here, we will use my blog. As we don't need a database for this, let's specify the noecto option. Execute the command, and input yes to complete the fetching of dependencies and compile. Once the compile is complete, move to the directory using the cd command as instructed and start the Phoenix server. Access the localhost 4000 in your browser, and if the Phoenix welcome page is displayed, then the project creation is complete. In the next video, we'll add NimblePublisher as a dependency, and proceed with the setup. Thank you for watching.